What's up? It's been a while. I got back from the junkyard. Just got back from Polo Park. And I went to grab a couple stuff. This is what I got. Got these seats. Well, those tell y'all about those later. And then I got these two solenoids. These damn solenoids cost more than the seat rails. Then I got the roof rail here. I'm gonna put 3 on top of mine so be more stable. And then I got this CRV license plate. Well, I'll show y'all what's so special about these. Lift this up, this seat can go up, and you can recline this whole half to the back, just like that. Which mine don't have it. Yeah. And that other side don't. So then I'm gonna install those. First thing, open your latch. I got that side done already. It's pretty good. I had to custom some parts so the seat belts will fit, because I didn't get the right bracket for it. Let's take this off first. Take this guy off. Throw it down there. After that, I'm going to fold your seat back down like this to pull it out. Lift this up. After that, you're gonna need an extender with 12 inch. Be right there, get that guy out, and go take this guy out, and get this guy out, this guy out. Get that done. Take a flathead, kind of pry it out this way. That. Let's pull it. You could take the whole thing out if you want. And the way to do that, you gotta put, there's the little notch right here, right there. Make sure to stay down. Put the flathead inside there. Kind of pry it out. Come out just like that. It's like this. This part here latches onto the bottom here. So all you gotta do is put it in here, kind of push it downwards and come off. If you guys want to, you guys don't, then you guys don't have to. You want to get this nut and this one. After that, you're gonna want to take your seat belts and put it inside here so it's come out, because the seat belt's mounted to the car. So you come out. Tools you're gonna need. My car's kind of messy now, but then you're gonna need your ratchet, you need your 12 inch, your 14, and then that's it, all these right here. What you want to do first would be this side here. This part here, you want to clip it out, just get ready to pull out. Take your 12mm socket, this size. Loosen it up. Now this part, just gotta remember how it looks like. Okay, because there's this little like spacer plastic washer. Just make sure you keep this piece because you're gonna need it. And this nut goes inside there like this. that connects to this side there. So keep that in a good place, don't lose that. You're gonna need a 4-hit screwdriver. Take out this guy here. Get this cover off. We're looking at this guy and that gold one right there. And this guy here, all we have to do is clip it. Clip that. This to the side. Pop this guy out. Now this guy is for this top piece here. You know, like where you can move it up and down. Let's watch it. There you go. Alright. And now let's take the whole thing off. This guy. These clips are holding it from the bottom fabric. All you have to do is unclip it. Okay, unclip this. All the way out. This little one. Unclip that one. And then now it's free. And that's all you have to do. Oh, well, one more thing. You're gonna need this guy. You're gonna need this fabric here. Unclip it too. Just remember where it goes. It goes inside here. Alright. Now this is done. This guy is trash. So trash stays with trash. Alright, now I got the seat that I'm gonna install right here. But we're not gonna install yet. You see these two holes right here are for the belts that are made for this seat bracket. In which I took it off because I didn't know that I was supposed to keep those with these. Because mines are different. So we don't have these though, so this is what I'm gonna do. Because this whole side here, this whole bottom side will hit on this part right here. This whole bracket here. It won't retract up or down. Because it'll get stuck under here. I'm gonna have to take this guy apart, grind it off, and weld it onto the new seat mounts. Because that at the junkyard that I went and got it, it's an hour away, and I'm not gonna travel an hour away just to get that piece. So I might as well just cut this one because I'm not gonna need this one anymore. But then I'm gonna keep these two guys because it's one whole mount. Keep these, but this you're gonna need this guy here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Now these two will be 14 millimeters socket. Take this guy out. So you'd be like, okay, which side is supposed to be welded in? Okay, it's gonna be this flat part gonna sit on the seat. So this whole side is the bottom. So of course it's gonna sit like this. These gonna look like they're melting. Let's give it a couple minutes to dry up. Well, I'll get that bracket welded on. I got shitty welding, but it should hold. Yeah, we're just gonna install it in there. Since we got that part done, we're gonna put this guy back in here. Line it up with the hole. Alright. Let's go back. Oh yeah. Inside now. Inside is a little bit higher. Look at that. Okay.
I think it's the way the belt what you did right there, dude.
I think it's hitting the belt. Bring it up. Back. Oh, that's more satisfying. Oh, that looks good. Now, let me get the front. Okay. So what we gotta do, for this one, we gotta take the headrest off. After that, we wanted to scoop the whole front seat forward. You want to put this whole seat side down. For that, you had to put this guy down. Well, I got it installed, and I fucking love it. It looks nice, it looks good. It's really comfortable. Yeah, I got some like buddies. They came and sat in here and they're like, damn, this thing's comfortable. I still trying to figure out this right here because you put these down here. This guy can't come up. Put this up. I was wondering, these might turn to cup holders somehow. Yeah. I don't know, you can mess with it, but I know this side could be on there, and then this side could be on there. Nothing. If you need a pillow, you use these as pillows. You take those off and use it as pillows. Now, if you don't like it, you put these down like that. Now you put these down like this. Yeah, then you call it a night and then you go to sleep. Yeah, that's pretty badass. Yeah, that's how it looks like, and I fucking love it. Oh yeah, one thing that I did, since I got this steering wheel, and I couldn't get the horn on there, so I rigged the horn straight down there to right here. It works. I also did the top of here. There's 1, 2, 3 bars. Yeah, I just took this off on another CRV, throw it on in case I want to extend this, which I do think about extending this part right here. Maybe just get some tubing from here to here, from the other side too, and extend it out. And after that, that'll be on another video or something. These guys show you a little bit different. I'm not like a tech guy or anything. I just miss the car and see stuff that it looks different. Which I took about 5 of these solenoid off, goes into like the front of the transmission, and you can see the difference. Like this one in the middle here, it don't have filter, it's wide open. But this other one here, this one has the filter right in the middle, and you see the two difference. Nothing, which I'm not sure. Does the numbers on it will mean anything? Like right there it says 20, and this side has nothing. This side has a little thingy there, which I don't know what it means. But then this side none. This has no number there. This has number there. And the back side does have like codes on it, stuff. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, you guys can tell me more about it. Yeah, I'm still a newbie about it, so yeah, if y'all know anything, hit me up. I want to know about these solenoid too, because this one just came out of my car, and I put the exact same one because this one has no filter, so I put the one I bought without the filter inside my car, and it does make a difference. Like the RPM runs fast, it runs better. Like it's not so high, it shifts a little bit sooner, and I can tell a difference in each gear that shift to. It's so much smoother. If y'all have any questions or anything, just hit me up. Just like and subscribe if y'all like my videos. If y'all don't, dislike button. Yeah, I don't care. Shoot a comment. Alright, see you guys next time.